So Veeam Inner Circle 2024 came about from our objective on building community. We really wanted to build community and help IT professionals have a shared space and a safe space to discuss common challenges, common objectives, what they're seeing in the market, to share stories and actual real life examples of attacks, cyber attacks, natural disasters. And we've been to cities like Palo Alto, Dallas, New York, Toronto, Boston, and honestly it's been so invigorating to be on this roadshow with all of our customers.
Over 160 security, IT, and infrastructure professionals have joined us, not only to hear about the Veeam team, but also our recently acquired Codeware organization and how we protect customers' data, keep it relevant for them, and keep it recoverable when things go so bad. Two real themes stood out for me from all of our customer base. Number one, budgets are tight and innovation has to come from savings and consolidation. Software-defined resiliency is key. Now, number two, security and the integrity of your data is the number one concern for a lot of these professionals. The ability to recover that data and keep your customers running is such an integral part that sometimes doesn't have the full playbook or the plan or the right assets or people, process, and technology to be leveraged at hand when things go wrong. I thoroughly enjoyed this season of the Inner Circle events, and I look forward to the next one.
2024 was a great success, and I've really enjoyed chatting with many of you on the road. But in 2025, I'm super pumped to get back out on the road and bring the roadshow to a city near you. We've got cities like Chicago, Vancouver, and much more on the docket. So where would you like to see us? Let us know, drop us a comment, shoot us a message, and let us know the cities that you want to see next in 2025.